It's important to remember that in the circle, we have potential bicycles and pedestrians to the right of us that we're cutting across.
Stop here. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna put my signal on.
And we count one,
and
2, and check mirror blind spot.
There we go.
Hey, it's me, Jacqueline.
Hey, it's me, Carlos.
And today we're going to work on traffic circles. We're going to work on 2 kinds of traffic circles.
Sure.
Traffic calming circles, where we treat it just like a regular intersection. We use our signal if we're turning right or left, or we don't if we're going straight. And we'll also do a multiple exit traffic circle.
Exactly.
And in those places, we signal before our exit. So we'll just see what's going on. And
You want to try it out?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna get into the street, checking no one's behind me. Alright, so.
Are traffic calming circles a part of your world?
So
this is something you grow up with.
exactly.
Did you notice when you came to the Bay Area that people were less familiar with traffic circle rules?
Yeah, there's not that many here, especially because I think South America, Spanish. I think it was modeled for like European drivers, so
Yeah.
that's why we use a lot of traffic circles. They're bigger and multiple lanes.
Yeah, we're not even doing a multiple lane circle. That's so fun. I guess we could say, just for folks that are going to one day do a multiple lane circle, the rule, if I'm remembering, is you have to choose the lane you want to be in.
Exactly.
Okay. So if you're staying in, you go in the most left inside.
Exactly.
And if you're exiting soon, you go in the right lane.
Exactly.
That
All
makes
right,
sense.
so if we're gonna go straight, we're just gonna go around it pretty much. So I just steer a little bit and get back to it. Not that much steer. You just need to angle the car pretty much. Same here. Just a little bit over checking the curve and then continue straight.
Let's turn right here and we'll go back to it.
Okay, we're gonna go turn left over here. Right.
So the traffic circle makes everything move through so smoothly,
Exactly.
and our stop signs are more stop, look, and go.
Exactly.
Which method do you feel is safest as a driver?
Pretty much the circle, because you don't have the stop sign, but you have the circle. So the cars coming into the street need to yield to you if they see you coming in.
Yeah.
And I think that's just more like the flow of traffic just like continues, so there's not too much stopping and going.
I just wanted to pop in and give my highest recommendation to the Zutobi driving app. They've helped so many of my students who are feeling anxious about the driving test to do the final prep they need to pass the permit. Zutobi has simulations, additional content, videos, everything that a new driver or a parent needs to help guide learning to drive process. If you're looking for a great resource to help you or someone you love prepare for their permit, the Zutobi app is where it's at. All right, so now we're gonna practice if we're making a right turn at the circle.
I'm gonna put my signal on, and what we're gonna do is just same way. I'm gonna go around it, but I'm gonna go all around it halfway and then straight. There you go.
I love how we talked about making a right at the circle and you
I'm
made
sorry.
a left. No, I love it because that's what all of the students do. Right and
Yeah.
left gets so confusing.
So many years driving, I'm still
Turn
doing
right
that.
here,
Same thing.
exactly.
Like my brain goes, oh no, this is the opposite.
Yes.
Why? I don't know.
Exactly.
Yeah, go to the right.
It's such a humanizing.
Yeah.
We're all the same. Absolutely. Let's turn right at this stop, and then we'll model right turn at the next circle.
Yes, let's do that.
Nice.
Okay.
So I also think it's important to say that these traffic calming circles wouldn't be here if people didn't speed on straight roads.
Pretty much.
It's another way,
Yeah.
just like a speed bump, to just slow people down.
So we're gonna go right over here.
Yep.
Okay. So in this case, because it's on a half stop sign, I just need to check the cars coming the other way. No one over here, and just go right.
And then we'll turn left at this
So
traffic
now in
circle.
this case, what I did earlier,
Yeah.
you just put your signal on before you get to the roundabout, and then you're just gonna go around halfway and continue.
Nice.
So just making a left on the roundabout is like you have an obstacle, you're just gonna go around it. You're not gonna cut through. You just need to go around it and continue.
I'm so glad you said that because I bet, like me, you've seen people go the wrong way on a roundabout. Yeah. It's crazy. I think it would be fun to use the roundabout for a U-turn. So let's turn right here and we'll go drive through that space one more time. So we've covered, if we're going straight through a traffic calming circle, we don't have to signal, we just kind of go back and forth. If we're making a left, we use it to go out and around and curve back.
Exactly.
If we're making a right, more traditional right turn. I love how you kept your eye out. Am I right? You saw the feet under the truck? That was awesome. Really good. I'm saying really good. Thank you for saving my life and his. And more pedestrians. What a beautiful day.
I know, right?
U-turn
over here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put my signal. Not gonna go left. I'm just letting the cars know I'm gonna do a maneuver, and then I'm just gonna go around there. And there you go.
Nice. All right, let's turn left up here. And now we're gonna head to a traffic circle, more traditional, like you're used to, South American and European. Running a driving school isn't easy. Between high operating costs, managing student requests, and delivering top-notch instruction, it's a lot. Zutobi Instructor helps smooth out your day-to-day operations with features like automated scheduling and online payments. You'll also get our best in the nation in-class and online curriculum with engaging videos, immersive driving simulations, and more. Driving schools all over the country are already making the switch and loving the results. It's super simple to get started. Visit Zutobi.com to book a demo or click the link in the description. So we're working our way around to this other circle just so we can practice the more traditional type. And one thing I've noticed as a community member is that a lot of people do not signal to exit the circle. And then pedestrians on that section of the road have no idea that the cars are going to start coming toward them, which can be really scary. So it's just important to remember to signal our...
All right, so we're about to approach the traffic circle. What do you want me to turn into?
Let's do second exit, which will be right before the circus pub.
Okay. So I'm gonna press the stop. Obviously, I'm gonna make a full stop here. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna put my signal on.
And we count
And
one,
and
two, and check mirror blind spot.
There we go. There you go.
And we did it. And I think it's important to remember that in the circle, we have potential bicycles and pedestrians to the right of us that we're cutting across. And let's find our way out of here.
U-turn?
Can we turn right on Ocean View? This is a fun road.
No, it's vlog.
Right here.
Oh, right over
yeah.
here.
And that will lead us back down to the circle, and we can just practice exiting another spot.
Sounds good.
Nice. So circles keep traffic flowing, but at this circle, everybody enters to a stop sign.
Straight.
Let's turn right here. Yeah. So what do you think about that? It doesn't actually keep traffic flowing. It's a stop, enter, exit.
the thing is the stop there because there's a crosswalk right before, right after that stop sign. So maybe that's why there's a stop sign. So you can just stop and like yield without you start rolling forward
And left.
and left.
Yeah.
So just for like precaution, I guess.
Yeah.
Just to double check you are completely stopped while
Right.
you're letting the pedestrians go.
Yeah. This time, let's practice and we'll exit the third
The third,
street. So we'll just count as we go, and it's right over there by that
Down,
truck.
alright.
Yep. So we
Stop.
stop.
No,
Look.
we're gonna let that go.
Friend to the right enters first. That makes sense. I
One.
like it.
2 and 3. There you go.
Nice.
There you go.
All right. Let's go down and we'll park somewhere in the shade.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much for driving us around traffic calming circles, modeling good speed control and steering control, going through the traffic circles and exiting. So we just tell everybody we're coming. We could really feel how it tells people like we're turning right because exiting the circle is a right turn.
That should do it. All right.
Nice. All right.
Cool.
Anything else you want us to remember about traffic circles?
If you approach a traffic circle, there doesn't have a stop sign, but have a yield sign. If you're gonna slow down, you're gonna yield to all the cars inside until it says for you to merge into the roundabout.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, and especially when it's a busy roundabout, not just pay attention to the cars, also pedestrians and bikes. All right.
Love that.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.